Okay guys, so the last section that we're going to be working with today is functions. And so what we deal with functions is that a function is a special relationship between values. So a function is actually a special relation, not just a relationship, but it is a special type of relation where each input, which is the x value, remember we talked about that earlier when we talked about domain, has exactly one output, and that output is the y value. Okay, so for example, here is a relation 0, 6, 5, negative 2, 7, 9, 11, negative 1. Okay, that's a set, it's a relation, but it is also a special relation because it is a function. Every x value has only one y value. We don't repeat x's. Okay, and I'll show you what an actual non-function looks like. So the first one, negative 4, 1, negative 1, 7, negative 1, negative 2, and 5, 6. Okay, and so you notice here we have two different functions with the same x value, or two different ordered pairs with the same x value. This one has a y value of 7, this one has a y value of negative 2, but they both have an x value of negative 1. So both of these are relations because they're a set of ordered pairs, but only one of them is a function because the x values do not repeat in this, okay? Whereas over here, they don't repeat. All right, so just a couple of examples. We'll start going through these. So same thing here. We're looking for x values that don't repeat. And so here we have negative 1, 0, 2, 3, and 5. So yes, this is a function, okay? Here we have negative 4, negative 3, negative 2, 1, and negative 3. And those two are repeating x values. They're both negative 3, so this is not a function, okay? Sometimes it's a little bit easier to see it in the example of a table. So here we look here, notice that this and this are repeating x values, so it's not a function. Okay. Check here on these, negative 5, negative 3, 0, 1, 2. None of those are repeating, so this would be considered a function. And then number 9, we have negative 8, negative 4, 0, 4, and 8. All of these are different, so they are functions. Okay, and so we'll talk about a couple other ways that you can tell the difference between a function or not in the next video.